friends, Miss Wendy here, and today we are going to be making a handprint penguin ornament. Come join me and I'll show you how to make it. Also, please stay tuned for the event code if you did this craft. All right, friends, so in your kit you will find a package of Model Magic and a piece of yarn. You'll also need some additional items. Some markers, scissors, and something to protect your workspace. The first thing that we will do is use our Model Magic to make a ball of clay. We want to preserve the wrapper though, so cut off the end and then cut the other end and then cut down the middle on this seam. All right, so here is your Model Magic clay. You can work it in your hands for a bit. And then we're gonna roll it into a ball. The next thing is smash it down with our palm. So we're gonna make it as big as we can, but we want it to have a little thickness still. So we don't want it to be too thin, want it to be a little bit thicker. And I think that's about good. Now the next thing that we're going to do is put our hand in it. Everybody's hand size is different, so you might get your whole hand in there depending on the size of your hand, or what's really important are the fingers and maybe even the top of your palm here, but definitely your fingers. So I'm just gonna do this, leave a little bit of room up here and squeeze those fingers into your clay and then peel your hand off. All right, now grab a pencil and you can put one hole or two holes. I like two holes, so I'm just gonna make a hole and another hole. Your Model Magic will stay a little bit pliable even when it's mostly dry, okay? So you can make that hole now and you can make it even a little bit bigger as time goes on. So let that sit overnight and then turn it over and let it dry on the back side as well. All right, we'll pick up in about a day or so. All right, so here is my dried Model Magic. It still is a little bit pliable as you see it. So what we're gonna do with this now is we're gonna decorate it into little penguins. So if you want, you can practice your penguins. So you can draw or trace the fingers of your hand. And I'm gonna make the start of a heart. And instead of joining it, I'm just gonna come around and make a little body there. This part I'm going to color, and then I'm gonna make little penguin flippers. Two eyes, and a beak, just a little upside down triangle, and feet over here, however you'd like to make them. I'm just doing little feet like that. And there's a penguin. So if you want, you can practice. If you don't want, just dive right in. So I'm gonna use a Sharpie because my black marker is not working very well, so I have a Sharpie here. And like I said, I'm just going to make the beginnings of a heart and then come on down like that. And then I'm gonna color all this in. It's a little bit different coloring on the clay than it is on the paper, so you get a different sensation. This is going to be my little flipper, And I'm going to come down here like this. Little flipper here. And then I'm going to make two eyes, just little dots. And a little beak, an inverted triangle, and then little feet, little orange feet there. And I'll make 1, 2, 3 more. All right, so there are my penguins, and they are on an iceberg. So I'm going to make an iceberg by using blue, and we'll just put some blue here. Or maybe they're just dipping their feet into the water. All right, so I am going to leave it like that. If you want, you can make the sky blue and you can leave this part white, and that could be your iceberg, whatever you'd like. And if you'd like to hang it up as an ornament, that's what these holes are for. You can put the string through. If you need some tape to help you put the string through, you could do that, but my string is going right through. And then I'm just gonna thread it through on the back side as well. I am going to just go ahead and tie it together. So I'm gonna make these two ends even, wrap these around my fingers, put those two ends through. I'm actually gonna bring it down just a little bit because with these two ends, what I'm gonna do is make a little bow tie. So there's my knot. And now I'm just gonna grab these two and make a bow tie. So that could stay like that. And there you go, and you can hang that up to display it. And there's your penguin family. Remember to clean up. Nice job, friends. Woohoo! So friends, I hope you had so much fun making your handprint penguin ornament. And I hope you'll join us for upcoming events here at the library or more DIY events. Have a great day, friends. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye-bye.